Still spec 50 qualifying.
Let's keep an eye on it. Josh Raymond is P2 right now, and Tyler Leahy's right behind him, getting a tow to try to see if he can get up on that front row with Yandel Medina. That would spell a little bit of disaster for Jake McCauley, as that would put Jake McCauley in row 2. Here comes Josh Raymond. Tyler Leahy right there, followed by Yandel Medina. Let's see where Tyler fell. Timing system not yet picking it up. And there's the front row that we're going to see, I bet, coming down the front straightaway. Josh Raymond, Yandel Medina, and Tyler Leahy.